Hey everyone, this is Dan Charles with LiteForex. It is Friday, March 27th. After market close, we're going to do a breakdown of the major Forex pairs, starting with Australian USD. Please subscribe to the channel and go to LiteForex in the description below this video. Okay, so let's start with the Australian USD. So as you can see, we had a big rebound this week. And going forward, looks like we got some resistance off of 62. We hit a high today of exactly 62 and we pulled back. So that is extremely obvious there. Support's going to be at 61. Already got that in place, because after a move like this, you have to expect some pullback. Look at that response this week. Great rebound for the Australian USD, but definitely you can see that resistance off 62, and I'm expecting this to come back. But let's see if it can hold 61, because maybe it pulls back, holds 61 support, and then turns around and continues and breaks through 62. We can also look at 6,060, which is going to be the open of today, 61, and the close of yesterday, 6,000.6062. Let's take a look at the Australian futures. Australian futures, okay. So 61, same type of thing. 61 is the support. Yeah, to me this just looks like we're due for that pullback, and the obvious resistance on the AUDUSD at 62. Okay, we're looking at the EURUSD. The EURUSD has been on quite a tear lately. Let's see here. So now you can see here today we pulled back and we hit this low. And the low was 1.0953. So I had that in as the next level. First we had support at 1.10. My next level of support, 1.0951. Hit that support and then broke out through this resistance of 1050. And here we are hitting a bit of a wall at 1150. So I'm expecting this to potentially pull back as well. Resistance at 1150. You look at the 60-minute and you can just see here this big move. Got to expect this to be pulling back. And look for support at 1.11 now, because it could easily just pull back, hold support, and continue the move. But we really are ready for a red day. You can just see here, big drop, big rebound. We've already rebounded fully from this this collapse here. So going forward, I think this is ready to pull back. But let's see if it can hold these support levels. Let's check out the Euro futures. Euro futures, okay, so yeah, you want to see it hold 1.11. I just look at this and think this is ready for a pullback. Okay, on to pound USD. Resistance off of 1.25. And just we're overextended. This is going to open, and I think it's going to pull back. We have to look at 23 is going to be important support. And we can also say 24. So how I play this is I wait to see where it opens. If it starts breaking through, I'm expecting this to pull back. So if it breaks first level of support at 24, then I might be a seller, and we'll see how far it pulls back. But this just is really due for a pullback. We can look at 22 as a Another level of support. So let's see, because it could still keep going higher, but I think it will pull back and find support at one of these levels, and then either continue going higher, busting through resistance at 25, or it will actually come back for a couple days, or if not more. Let's take a look at the pound futures. Yeah, pound futures, this is just showing that resistance at 1.25. I just feel like this is ready for a pullback. 9 times out of 10 when I see something like this, it's gonna pull back. Okay, New Zealand USD. All right, so support's gonna be at 6. We got a bit of resistance off the high today, 60.69. So 61 is the resistance. We move that down a little bit more, 61. There we go. Yeah, New Zealand USD, it's been on a quite a bullish run. Let's see if it can hold 0.60 and come down, hold that support, and continue the break. Break above 61. Of course, if it busts through 60, it's going to come down. Next level of support, though, will be around 59.50. That's how I'm going to be playing this. Let's look at the New Zealand futures. Same type of thing. 6,000 is going to be the support. Let's see if it can hold and continue this run, but it's really due for a pullback. Everything looks like it's ready to pull back. USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD, I was ready for this to drop. It was becoming overextended, very overextended based on the weekly chart. You can see that there. Yeah, so resistance was 42, came up. We hit a high today, 41.54, and then back down. And the low, 39.20, so 39 is going to be the support price. You know, you look at the weekly chart and it looks like there's more downside. Usually when you look at something like this, you can expect this is going to come back to the moving average. The moving average is around 37.65 right now, 37.70. It looks like it could come back more, but right now it is holding some support at 39. So let's see if it can, and of course 1.40. See if it can hold the support and rebound. This is also looking like it's ready for a rebound, and we're roughly at the halfway mark of this move. So this was this breakout move. We're roughly at about half the move, and once you break below half, you're probably going to keep going down. This is like around the level where it needs to. If it's going to continue being bullish, it's going to need to turn around and start breaking through resistance. So 1.4, 1.41, 4.2, and it needs to get back above 1.43 to threaten to continue this this strong uptrend we were just in. So let's see if it can do that. But first, let's take a look at the Canadian dollar, because the Canadian dollar has been bullish with the USD CAD dropping. You can see this has been bullish. This is very overextended too. It's ready to pull back. Just like the USD CAD is ready to rebound to the upside. We got support at 0.71. Of course, we're going to have support at 0.715. And the high today was 71790. So we're getting close to that 72 price. Needs to really hold 71.5 and definitely 71, but this just looks like it's ready to pull back as well. So look for a pullback on the Canadian dollar and a rebound to the upside on the USD CAD. Okay, lastly, USD yen. USD yen was looking weak a couple days ago. Just it was holding the support at 111, busted through yesterday, and it was holding support around 109.50, and then it was busting through 109 today, and right now it's hovering around this 108 support level. And this looks like this could have a rebound as well. So look for a rebound off of 108. Of course, we got to look at the resistance prices. 108.50, 109. Because I am expecting this to pull up, but it may just pull up, hit resistance at one of these prices, and then start heading back down. And once it starts heading back down, that's when I'm going to be a seller. That's when I'm going to be selling this, because I know this is more than likely going to come down. Let's take a look at the yen futures. Yeah, the yen futures, we got resistance at 0.00935. Support is going to be at 925. Yeah, this one looks like this should pull back. But this still looks like it has some more upside to it. But I think it might come back. Let's look at next level of support at 93. Let's see if it can hold 93. And we're going to see if it can hold the center, which is about 92.775. So this could, this looks like it will come back, but just like the opposite of the USD yen, which that looks like it should pull back and then potentially continue the downtrend. This looks like it should pull back, potentially find support, and then continue the uptrend. Now, of course, if these support levels start getting broken, then this will come back because it is overextended as well. So the trend is up right now, but let's see if it can hold support and continue the move. So it's just the opposite. If this comes down, holds support, and then turns around and starts breaking out to the upside, that's when I'm going to be a buyer. And that's how I'm going to play these currency pairs going into Sunday night and Monday. Okay, that's the breakdown for Friday night, March 27th. Please subscribe to the channel and go to LiteForex in the description below this video. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.